Hey everyone, did you know Ton is a decentralized and open internet designed to onboard 500 million people on-chain built by the community using technology developed by Telegram. If you are looking to swap or bridge your ETH or any other leading token to Ton blockchain, you are in the right place. The smartest way to trade any token on any chain is with RocketX. Whether you are on your phone or your laptop, you can get started in seconds. All you need to do is go to app.rocketx.exchange. Choose the source network from where you want to initiate the swap. In the coin section, click ETH from quick selection or choose a token of your choice by searching via name or its contract address. For this video, we will go with ETH. In the destination network, search for Ton and select it. In the coin section, click on Ton. Enter the Ton recipient address to receive Ton. Best part, you can choose the best rates or fastest quotes in a convenient manner. RocketX compares quotes across 500 plus leading exchanges to help you with the best rates or fastest available routes. Once you are ready with a quote of your choice, then in the top right hand corner, click Connect Wallet. Select from the popular supported wallet based on the network from where you are initiating your swap. If you don't see the wallet that you use, no worries. Just click Try Walletless and you can bridge without connecting your wallet. We have linked a video in the description that explains how to swap without connecting your wallet. You may check it out. Finally, proceed with the swap and approve the transaction in your wallet. Remember, sending a different token or incorrect address may lead to loss of funds. If you send the coins and the status did not change immediately, do not worry. Our system needs few minutes to update the transaction. Congrats! You have just successfully bridged your ETH to Ton. Trading is open 24/7, no registration, no login required, not even connecting your wallet. Welcome to the trenches. You can always go to history to check your previous transaction. If you face any issue with the swap, go to help and raise a ticket. Our team is happy to help you. Any token, anywhere, anytime. Just RocketX. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping. See you in the next one.